Want to promote your content or business on Instagram but not sure how to start? In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to create and run Instagram ads. Even if you are a complete beginner, let's dive in. Before you run ads, make sure you have a business or creator Instagram account, a connected Facebook page, a Meta Ads Manager account, a clear goal for your ad, sales, website traffic, engagement, etc. Now go to business.facebook.com. Click on once you are in, click create to start your campaign. From ad manager section, then click campaigns. Now click create button. You will see multiple ad objects, for example, awareness for brand visibility, traffic to drive clicks, engagement, more likes and comments, leads or sales for conversions. Let's choose traffic for this example. Name your campaign clearly so you can track performance later. Turn on advanced and advantage campaign budget. If you want Meta to automatically allocate your budget across ad sets. Now define your audience. You can target based on location, age, and gender, interests, behaviors. You can also create custom audience from your website traffic or email list. Be specific so your ads reach the right people. Then click next. Now choose where your ad will appear. Select manual placement and check only Instagram, like feed, stories, or explore depending on your creative. Choose your budget. Start with $5 to $10 per day. To test your ad, you can set a start and end date or run it continuously. Now create the actual ad. Choose a format, single image or video, carousel for multiple images, reels ad, upload your creative or use Meta's templates. Add your text, headline, and call to action like shop now or learn more. Then add the website or the landing page URL. Now preview. Use the preview tool to check how your ad looks on different devices and placements. When it's ready, then click publish. After your ad is live, track performance in Ads Manager. Key metrics include impressions, click-through rates, Cost per click conversions or sales pause or tweak ads that aren't performing well. Tips to get better results. Use eye-catching visuals or videos. Keep your message short and clear. Always test multiple versions like A/B testing. Target narrow specific audience. Then click publish. Now open Instagram app and share your videos and ad will appear in your video. From here, you can add Instagram account. Go to settings tab, then add accounts or go to pages. Now you can remove the Facebook page from this window. Go to Instagram accounts from here, then click add. Now click I agree, then claim Instagram account. Now choose your Instagram and click business or creator, and next show your show your category on your profile like musician, or then click continue. And follow the process. And that's how to run ads on Instagram using Meta Ads Manager. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below. If you want a video on Reels ads, on retargeting ads, see you next time. So just now enter your email address and living address, then click save. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.